Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. And again, I pull out the Celestial Nirvana because it has so many colors, so you can create so many looks and be creative with that palette. So as you can see, I did two different looks. Again, a purple one with a blue, how can I say blue? The green mascara. And the other eye is with a more toned down but blue look with a little bit of rosy color to it. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, please hang in there and I will show you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you here. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to start out with the highlighting shade, and I'm using my mini booster from Sonia G. I just used the Pat McGrath concealer in number, I think it's light medium, or maybe it's just light, number 7. I want to do some kind of a purple smoky look, so I'm going to start with the pink color in my crease here, and I'm still using the mini booster here, and then I'm blending the color up a little bit. So this is a start. Now I'm going to go in with the Fabulosity, the purple, and I'm going to place that in the crease here. So now you can see, now we are talking. Now we got some purple going on here. I'm not going as high as with the pink, of course, because the pink was mostly to help diffusing out this purple color. I'm just mixing it into the pink. And now I'm going in with a cooler toned purple, the Violet Vixen, with my Builder Pro from Sonia G. And I'm just pressing it on here to start with. Oh, sorry. Well, I'm only human. And this is what it looks like so far. Let's have some fun with this purple look. And here comes the Lavender Haze on the middle here, just to make it pop a little bit. Like so. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Fabulosity on the flat definer, and I'm just going all the way in here, and then I'm gonna smoke it out a little bit. As an inner corner highlight, I'm going to use a Lavender Haze just by itself here to brighten up the look. I'm going to put on a little bit of liner. Primarily here in the outer corner. And now for a fun part. I might regret this later, but hey, in my mind, in my head, it looked pretty awesome. The Aquamarine Dream mascara. It's a dark star mascara, so I'm just gonna zigzag like I normally do with a dark star. to really coat my lashes. And prolong them a little bit. If I'm a little bit lucky today. I'm gonna go all in here because I really want them to be green. And the reason for me putting on the liner was to make it look a little less sick. Now for the lower lashes. I'm looking into a mirror, by the way, if you're wondering. Well, not now, but I could go on and paint some false lashes and put them on, but I think it'll be a little bit too much for this. So now I'm gonna go on to the second look. I'm gonna start by putting on some highlighter. I'm just using my Builder Pro from Sonia G. Dipped into the dark blue color, and I'm using the same brush, the Sonia G Builder Pro, and I'm gonna press that into the eyelid, so to speak, here in the outer corner. And I'm just gonna go into the middle with what's left on the brush, so it's gonna be diffused. And going a little bit upwards still, with nothing extra on the brush, but with what's left here, and kind of moving the shadow upwards. I think we could use a little bit more of the same color to darken it up here in the outer corner. So I just put on a little bit more on my brush, and I'm not going further up than into the crease. So it's primarily here on the outer corner and just into the crease, not further up. Now for a touch of Eternal Amour. This is the pinky golden shade I like so much. Just gonna put it into the inner corner and then blend it into the blue here. Same color on the tip of the flat defining brush. I'm just placing it under the eye here on my lower eyelid and going into the middle. Now for a little bit of the dark blue, and I'm gonna start from the outer corner here, and then I'm slowly, gently gonna mix it into the other color we already have. I'm just gonna perfect it here so it matches. With nothing on my blending brush, I'm just gonna blend it out just a tad bit more here. So I'm gonna just go like back and forth here on the sort of, what do you call? Now I cannot speak English anymore. Oh yeah, someone won again upstairs. Okay, I think this is good. Thought we could use a little bit of highlighter for this look also, and I'm gonna use a highlighting shade, a light one here. Back with a little bit of mascara on, and for this look I'm of course not gonna put on the green, so I just put on the black mascara. So this is a colorful look that is kind of day friendly, I would say, for some people maybe. I'm not gonna put on false lashes for this look, because then it will look weird in the end, but well, I guess the two eye looks are different anyway, but I'm just gonna keep it like this. And now I'm gonna go off cam and put on a little bit of color on my lips so you can see what it looks with the full face of makeup. Back with the full face of makeup, and this is what it looks like. On my cheeks I put on a little bit of Nirvana, the blush from Divine Blush from Pat McGrath Labs, and on top of that I have my favorite highlighting trio using the two colors, the gold and the pinkish one. And on my lips I'm wearing the what is it called? Now I don't remember. Remember the name, Bellamour. I think it's Divinal or something like that. I'm going to put on my glasses. And this is what it looks like with glasses. Because I did not put some lashes on the last look, it's a bit more day friendly, I would say. And with the other one, I really like the effect of the green or aquamarine greenish mascara, what it gives to the look with the purple eyeshadow. I think it's cool, and I think you can also see it from a distance, so it has a cool effect. And I'm happy that I put on the eyeliner, or a bit of eyeliner, so it does not look a little too sickly. So this is it. These were the final two looks for now, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. Now I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you'll have an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.